Hi, I am K. Prakash, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology.
So here we will see how the Fresnel lens is working. As I told here in the previous slide, the most of the solar radiation has to be trapped. So here what we are doing is we are using a image Fresnel lens solar concentration system. Here these Fresnel lens, to understand the concept, these Fresnel lens are used in our vehicles, in automobile vehicles, in the headlights and in the lighthouses, and many more applications are there. Solar lighting, solar pumped lasers. So there are a lot of application of this Fresnel lens. So in these pictures we can see here in the first and the second picture what is the main difference. So in the first picture you can see there is an observer. So observer is nothing but the solar radiation is observed. You can see on the center part there is a single axis tracking or reflectors. So what is the use of the reflector is it observes the solar radiation from the sun and it is reflecting back towards this observer. So all the tracking systems, all these mirrors which is kept at the bottom is called as heliostat. It is called as heliostat, and all the solar radiation falling on this heliostats is reflected back towards a particular point. So this type of concentration is called as concentric solar collectors. So in the first picture we can see that all the solar radiation is made to fall on a particular point as it is a linear observer. Here in the second picture we can see that the receiver is only one, whereas the mirrors which is called as the heliostats is kept all around the tower. So here what happens is all the solar rays falling on this heliostat is reflected back towards these receivers. So this is how the temperature of the particular product is increased. That is, the drying is increased by the temperature. That we'll discuss how it makes. So here this Fresnel lens also now it is introduced here in this observer area. We are keeping the solar dryers a box type or closed chambers. So what happens is all the solar radiation falling is reflected back to that particular solar dryers, so that the solar drying or heating of the air or the food materials is made quicker. So this process achieved. So the efficiency is increased. So let us discuss the final conclusion how the performance has been increased with the help of Fresnel lens. So here this is a simple solar dryer where you can see that the drying materials are kept in trays at 45 degree. Why this kept is it is 45 degree? Why we are keeping like this is to get the most of the direct radiation, the radiation without any disturbance falling on the earth surface has to be tapped, so that it is kept in a 45 degree. So in India most of the solar collectors are made to kept in the south facing directions. So now let us compare the output results. So what happens when Fresnel lenses are used? So here in ordinary flat plate or solar collectors, if this solar collector which you are seeing in this picture is kept directly to the solar radiation, the thermal efficiency, that is the amount of heat energy, heat observed, the thermal efficiency is around 50%, and the conversion temperature of water, that is if the fluid is in water, it is around 90 degree Celsius.